Sample testing. Prepare the instrument for automation before testing. Before using this instrument, the instruction manual should be read carefully, and read the corresponding national standard GBT 3536. Understand the experimental methods described, experimental procedures and experimental requirements. According to the experimental requirements, prepare all kinds of experimental equipment and materials for the experiment. Note that if you choose gas ignition before the experiment, liquefied gas or acetylene gas is required. Connect the air source through the pressure-reducing valve. The jack is on the back panel of the instrument, and check for air leaks. This experiment is an electric ignition. Don't have to connect. Prepare the experimental oil and open oil cup. First, shake the sample well. Pour the sample into the oil cup to the position of the oil cup scale line. Open the windshield. Place the sample to be tested in the heating table. Close the windshield. Click on the menu and enter the password 0. Enter the parameter setting interface. Enter the preset flash point for this experimental sample. The flash point value of this sample is between 150160. So the default 150. Other is the default value. Click Experiment Method. Select this experimental test item as the flash point. Ignition method, electric ignition printing method. Automatically return to the main interface. Check the preset flash point value and experimental method of this experiment. After confirming that it is correct, click the Test button. The instrument automatically starts detection. The instrument heats up according to national standards. The heating rate is 14-17 degrees per minute. When it reaches 20 degrees before this preset flash point, the heating rate is adjusted to 5-6 degrees per minute. The sample is reduced by 2 degrees per liter until the flash point is detected. The right side of the test interface is the menu function interface. Temperature curves. Manual ignition, and temperature lag. Click on the temperature curve. You can view the temperature status of this experiment in real time. Click Test Interface. Return to the test interface. Click on Manual Ignition. Can light the ignition wire. Check the working status of the ignition wire. Click Manual Ignition. Experimental flash point value can be manually detected. Click Lag Temperature. The protection temperature can be delayed by 50 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees before the preset flash point is reached, the device starts sweeping the fire. The sample temperature is reduced by 2 degrees per liter until a flash point is detected. You can click on the temperature curve at this point. Check the temperature curve status and corresponding sampling temperature. Default flash point and test time. Click Test Interface. Return to the test interface. Flash point detected. Automatically end the experiment and print the experimental data. After the experiment is over, the instrument automatically lifts the lifting arm and turn on the strong cold air for cooling. The flash point of this experiment is 158.5 degrees Celsius. The pressure correction is 0.1 degrees Celsius. After the oil cup cools down, pour the oil into the flyer and clean the oil cup with petroleum ether until clean. Let the oil cup cool to room temperature. The next set of samples can be tested.